Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to use your scanner and the NeoSpectra Scan mobile app software to analyze samples. To ensure that you are ready to begin using your scanner, you'll need to have the NeoSpectra Scan application downloaded to your mobile device. This application runs the software that will enable your scanner to function. If you haven't already installed the application, please complete this step. You can do so by referring to the email instructions you received from support@Si-Ware.com. If you haven't seen that email in your inbox, please check your junk folder. We'll walk you through how you can analyze your sample from that point in a few simple steps. First, you'll need to log in. Open the Scan application software and type in your username and password. These are the same credentials you use for all NeoSpectra products. You will only have to enter this information one time as long as the application remains installed on your device. Now, let's return to your scanner. Your scanner will arrive charged and ready to go right out of the case. To turn it on, press the power button. You should see the scanner screen panel light up. Wait until the display indicates that it is ready for use. After turning on your scanner, you'll need to pair it with the Scan app on your mobile device. In the app, press the Connect button, and you'll find a list of NeoSpectra devices that are nearby and ready to connect. If your NeoSpectra device is not listed in the app, you'll need to reinitiate the Bluetooth connection. Briefly press the power button 2 times, and make sure that the Bluetooth icon in the display screen has changed to show it is ready to connect. Once this happens, you should be able to find your device in the list. Once you've selected your device, the Bluetooth icon in the scanner display will change, and your scanner's details will be displayed in the app's home screen. The next step is to choose the type of sample you'd like to analyze from the options shown in the Scan app. If no sample types are shown when your mobile device is connected to the internet, you'll need to contact your organization's NeoSpectra administrator. Once the sample type is selected, you'll automatically be directed to the next step in the app. After selecting the sample type, you're ready to calibrate your device. You'll have to make a calibration every time you select a new sample or turn on your device. To prepare for calibration, you need the scanner cover. Next, simply place the scanner cover onto the scanner head. Silver magnets on the bottom of the cover should align with magnets on top of the scanner head to ensure correct placement. You're now ready to calibrate by pushing the Calibrate button on the Scan application software. The cover must remain in place until the calibration ends. Once calibration is complete, you are ready to scan your samples. Most samples will require several scans that cover distinct areas of the sample to give a more accurate result. The scan count is clearly displayed in the app. Once your scanner is in position, initiate scanning via the Scan button on the screen, or by pushing the Scan button on your scanner. Follow the in-app instructions, and make sure the sample is in direct contact with the scanner until the scan ends. Once completed, the scan number will increase by 1. For analyses requiring multiple scans, the Scan app will indicate that the scanner should be moved to a new spot on the sample before scanning again. Repeat this process of taking measurements from different areas of the sample until the scan process is complete. For advanced users who want to see the spectra of each measurement, pressing the Review button will display this information. Congratulations! You have completed your first scan and should now be seeing the results. As you can see, a sample ID is automatically generated by the Scan app. To change the ID, simply touch the Sample ID field to overwrite the system ID. There is also a QR code icon next to the Sample ID field. When selected, a QR code is scanned. The associated text or number will automatically be inserted as the sample ID. Underneath the result data, there are a few options that can be associated with this specific result. When the arrow icon is enabled, this means that your location info will be saved with the measurement. Selecting the Notes icon allows you to add a text file to your results, while the camera icon allows you to take a photo. There is also a button at the bottom that allows you to share results. At any time, you can review your individual sample results by selecting the history icon on your touchscreen. Thanks for watching. This completes our introduction to your first scan. To learn how to charge and maintain your device for proper operation, we suggest viewing the Managing Your Scanner video.